Hello, everybody. My name is Tasfai. I'm here to continue with the series of presenting Afan Oromo to you to help you understand how to read and write Afan Oromo. This program is this recording is a continuation of my previous recordings, and it is since a while that I came to you and presented you this video. I'm sorry for that for the interruptions, and thank you for many of those who encouraged me to come back. I was a little bit busy, and that's all. And now I will continue to finish the videos and the programs that I planned before. And for those who are demanding in another languages, in Afan Oromo itself and in Amharic, I will come back to that, I promise. But for these videos, for this series, my target is for those Ethiopians who don't understand Afan Oromo and Amharic, and for those non-Ethiopians who like to learn Afan Oromo, uh, targeting visitors, for example, or for those who are interested in learning Afan Oromo. So in my previous videos, about 6 videos, we have gone through the Oromo alphabet. This is the program we were dealing with. Um, these are the topics I was following up. So I presented you with symbols and the videos or Oromo alphabet in that probably 3 or 4 videos, and then we also have seen the second topic, short and the long sounds, probably about 2 or 3 videos. You can go to those videos and see what are short and long sounds in Oromo language. Today I'm going to present you with the soft and strong sounds, and in this video I will present you what soft sounds are. So these are very much interrelated. We can't have like completely strong or completely soft or completely short sounds. So we will see together, and then in my next videos I will go through to this. I already presented numbers in one video. You can also go back to my videos and see how we count numbers and what the numbers look like. And let's go ahead with soft and strong sounds. When we say in our previous video, when we say short and long, we say that it is the relative amount of time we stay on the sound. It is the time we stay on the sound. How long we stay. If we stay long on that sound, we say it long sound. If we stay a bit, just to say the word, and a bit shorter, we call it that is a short sound. Please go back and watch the other video. Here we deal with strong and soft and strong sounds. Soft and strong means the how strong the sound we hear is, how deep the sound we hear is, and the soft is how soft it is. It's really hard to explain, but if we take that examples, so this is hatu and this is hatu. Listen to the ta sound. Listen to the ta sound. Hatu, hatu. So ta in the first word hatu is soft, and the tu in the second hatu is deep or strong. That is what means in Oromo soft and strong. hatu, hatu. So in the deep or strong word, we clearly articulate the sound, clearly say it deeper. Hatu, very soft. We said T already. Hatu, hatu. Hare. Now you can say this. Hare, 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 hare. Hatu, hatu. Hare, hare. These are completely different words, completely different meaning. Like, I'll tell you what. Hatu means stealing. Hatu means thief. Hare means clean, clearing. Hare means donkey. Completely unrelated. The way we say it, we said in the previous video, the way we say it, we write in Oromo. There's no any other alternative to write Oromo, even to read or even to say. If I have to say hattu, I have to say hattu. If I have to write it hattu, I have to write that way. If I have to say hare, I have to write it like this, and I have to say it hare. I can't say hare because that is another meaning, and I have to write that way. Look at the next one. Chala. Let's listen to the la sound. Chala. Challa. So la here deeper. Chala is softer. Chala. Challa. That is completely two different meaning. This is the name of a person. Chala. This challa is a product, harvest like that, or a change for money as well. I wrote that wrong. Ada. 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 Listen to the ada. 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 That's completely different meaning as well. Ada is culture. Ada means special or different, or it is also means forehead. Ada. Ada. So by now, I hope you understand between the soft and the strong sound. Faya, faya. Ya is here. Faya, faya. Najallata, najallata, najallatta. Look at the two strong sounds in here. Najallata, najallatta, najallatta. So this is just to explain to you what is soft and the strong sound is. But we will see these two in different videos. Most of the Oromo words, I can say most of them are soft, but there are very much strong sounds as well. But mostly we talk soft sounds. And these are the examples of soft sounds. There is no we find it no strong. So the way we wrote here, if it is strong, we always double the consonant. We double the consonant when it is strong. We will come to that in the next video. When we double consonants, double vowels, what does it show? You can go back to listen to the previous radio. This is about long and short, not about strong and about soft and strong. Soft and strong only refers to consonant sounds. Short and long refers to only vowel sounds. This is another thing. Sorry, we have to know. Here, examples. In all of this, we don't have any double consonant. because all of them are soft sounds. All of them are soft sounds. Hatu, we have seen that. Sare, Sadi, Hatu, Hatu. You can tell the difference between these two if you listen to the previous radio. Hatu, Hatu, Laga, Laga, Sida. So if you can see, these three have the same structure, and these three have the same structure. They're just giving you examples of different soft words. Sida, Mana, Buna, Lama. These are also have the same structure. Gota, Boda, Afan, Anaf, Shan, Kudan, Mal, Wan, Sif, Bor, Ko, Kun, Ol, An, As, F, A. So that's just to show there are different structures of short sounds. Could be long words, could be just words like as and all. They're all short and they are all soft. Um, uh, Here I'm not discussing about short or long, but these are all about soft sounds. In soft sounds, there is no deep sound we hear. All are soft, just we say them smooth. Like we have seen as the example above. Hare, hare, hare. So there is no like a strong word like hare in all these. They are all soft sounds. Hatu, it is not hatu. Sare, it is not sarre. Sadi, it is not sadi. Hatu, it is not hatu. So, and I'm just, there are no such words in Oromo. Laga, there are not, there is, this word is not laga, and no word laga in Oromo. Sida, there is no word called sida in Oromo, if that is made strong. And so on and so on, like that. And I tell you one rule in here, in soft words. In any of soft and strong words, there is no way the first sound becomes strong. No way in Oromo you find the first sound is strong. The first sound is always soft, and we can't make it strong in Oromo language. That is one rule that we have to know about that. And I will continue with strong sounds that we have seen here in the next video. But before that, I give you some words to write, and get ready to write and write these words. They are all soft. One, maka, maka. What is the sound ka? Go back to the alphabet and you can find what it is. Maka. Two, afur, afur, afur. Number three, jalala, jalala, jalala. Number 4, fira, fira, fira. Number 5, laga, laga, laga. Number 6, oromo, oromo, oromo. Number 7, demi, demi, demi. Number 8, tari, tari, tari. Number 9, bareda, bareda, bareda. And number 10, sutuma, sutuma, sutuma. You will see the answers for these words and check yourself in the next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.